How do you choose the right HOA software? In this comprehensive comparison between EmpoweredHOA and DoorLoop's property management software, we're going to answer exactly that. Because if you're a property manager or a homeowner association member, this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into the features, pricing structure, and more to give you a detailed look at what they offer. So let's get into it. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abugosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Let's kick things off by discussing the features of both EmpoweredHOA and DoorLoop. We'll start with EmpoweredHOA. Their software is especially made for HOA management, and it comes with several notable features. Now, these features include work order management. EmpoweredHOA offers efficient work order management tools. This is a crucial tool for HOA managers and board members alike who need to track and address maintenance and repair requests from residents. It also streamlines the process and ensures that issues are dealt with promptly, maintaining the community infrastructure. Website support. A dedicated website can be a game changer for HOAs. EmpoweredHOA provides robust website support, allowing HOA boards and managers to establish an online presence for their community. This can serve as a hub for sharing important documents, announcements, and event information with homeowners. Calendar management. Effective calendar management is vital for HOAs to schedule meetings, events, and maintenance activities. Solid documentation. EmpoweredHOA's online documentation is a standout feature. It's a valuable resource for users who prefer self-help guides. This simplifies the onboarding process, making it easier for new users to get started and navigate the platform independently. And of course, event and committee management. Managing events and committees is crucial for fostering community engagement. EmpoweredHOA includes features to assist with event planning and committee management, helping to get the most involvement with your homeowners through communication tools. Now let's turn our attention to DoorLoop and explore its features as well. DoorLoop is a comprehensive property management software solution designed to streamline various property management tasks. The key features include pricing transparency. One of DoorLoop's strengths that its users point out is its transparent pricing. Users appreciate that they know the costs up front, and this transparency extends to DoorLoop's periodic promotions, making it even more attractive for property managers. Quick and reliable customer support. DoorLoop is known for quick and responsive customer support. Reviews on platforms like G2, Capterra, and Trustpilot highlight DoorLoop's commitment to providing excellent service. And this responsiveness can be a crucial aspect for property managers who need timely assistance and guidance. Real-time QuickBooks integration. DoorLoop syncs in real time with QuickBooks, ensuring property managers have access to the latest financial data. This is especially important for efficient financial management. Custom report generation. DoorLoop offers the capability to generate custom reports tailored to your specific needs. Property managers can create reports and facilitate more efficient data analysis and decision-making. Maintenance request handling. Handling maintenance requests is simplified with DoorLoop's tools. It streamlines communication between property managers and tenants, ensuring that maintenance issues are addressed promptly. Tenant communication. Amongst DoorLoop's capabilities include features for sending messages and notices to tenants, enhancing communication and engagement. Mobile friendliness. DoorLoop is mobile-friendly, allowing property managers to work on the go. This means that users get access to key features from their mobile devices, providing greater flexibility as well. And last but not least, we have integration capabilities. DoorLoop can seamlessly integrate with various other tools, becoming a central hub for property management tasks, from financial management to tenant communication. Alright, so by now we can see that each platform is extremely robust and powerful, but we need to talk about the pricing, a critical factor in choosing property management software, because let's be real, whatever you choose is going to be a long-term investment. When it comes to EmpoweredHOA, they take a personalized pricing approach. Unfortunately, they don't provide their pricing publicly, so you need to contact them to learn more. Interested users can contact the company for demos and pricing details. The benefit here is that this approach allows a more tailored solution, but it might require more effort up front. On the other hand, we have DoorLoop, emphasizing pricing transparency. DoorLoop offers an all-inclusive pricing strategy starting at $49 per month for the first 20 units. They also offer a Pro plan and Premium plan, coming in at $99 per month and $149 per month respectively. The great thing here is that transparent pricing allows users to have a clear understanding of the costs up front. But in conclusion, both Empowered HOA and DoorLoop bring distinct strengths and features to the table. Empowered HOA shines when it comes to catering to the needs of small to mid-sized HOAs. Its strengths lie in work order management, website support, calendar management, and event coordination, and its user-friendly interface alongside robust documentation, enhance accessibility as well. However, if you think DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then click the link below to schedule a free demo with one of our account executives. They'll get to know your business, ask you about your specific needs, and show you everything that we offer in detail. Plus, with that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering on this video as well. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things property management. We'll see you soon, Loopers.